Hi there, welcome to the practice questions on using Pythagoras Theorem to find the length of missing sides. What I'd like you to do now is to pause the video and work out the missing side for question 1 and question 2, and then when you're happy with your answer, then restart the video and go through the model answers and check if you've made any mistakes. So if you pause the video now, have a go at question 1 and 2. Hi, welcome back. Okay, let's go through these two questions then. Question 1. We're using Pythagoras. We know that because it's a right angled triangle and we know two sides. We want to find the missing side. This time the missing side is the hypotenuse, the longest side. So we're using Pythagoras in its basic form. Pythagoras theorem states that c squared equals a squared plus b squared. And the triangle should be labelled as C as the longest side, the hypotenuse, the one opposite the right angle. A and B don't matter. I tend to always label A this one and B as the bottom one. So now we can replace our letters with the values that we know for A and B. So we have C squared is equal to 5 squared plus 12 squared. So if we work those out, we're going to have 25 plus 144. So c squared is actually going to equal 169. And c will be the square root of 169, which you should know is 13 centimeters. Question 2. Again, it's a right angled triangle, but this time we're finding the shorter side, one of the shorter sides. So we have to rearrange this formula. So this time what I could do is label the triangle. I want to find A, that's C, that's B. So if I want to find A, I want A on its own. So I'd take the B over and put it next to the C. Because that's a positive, it will become a negative on the other side. So the formula really becomes A squared equals C squared take away B squared. Always remember, shorter side, subtract. So now I get A squared is equal to C squared, which is 20 squared. Take away B squared, which is 16 squared. So I get A squared is going to equal 400. Take away 256. So if I work that out, I get 144. So A is going to equal the square root of 144, which you should know is 12.